guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing an alternative goth look, whatever you want to call it. I know some people get mad and will probably say that's not goth, but whatever. I'm going to be doing e-girl makeup, whatever you want to call it. First thing I'm going to do is, I'm not sure if I'm going to do this on camera or not, because yet again it could flop, but I have a wig. If you don't know, I've been trying to lay my wigs recently, not fully, like they're not laid well, but just to the point where you can't really tell on camera that it looks like shit. So I had a lot of stress with this. They delivered it at 6 a.m. this morning, then it wasn't there, and then they said they couldn't get to my address, then I filed a complaint because I paid £30 for next day delivery. Anyway, it's come, the stress is over, so let's open this up. I got this from Depop. I also got another wig as well. I will probably open that one up soon. So this is a red wig. If you can't already tell, I'm going to be doing a red themed look. This is what it looks like. It's a lace front. I think the lace is already kind of cut, but I can still work with it. I'm so fucking tired of having nails on. I cannot. Guys, look. This is what my nails currently look like. I've been trying to rip them off, and this nail, I mean, you can't really see it, and I'm not going to show it because it's gross. My real nail underneath it is literally split in half from where I've been trying to rip it off. Disgusting! I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to try and use a different method today, because when I did this last time, I tried to use I used a blonde wig and it looked kind of good, but obviously it had to be more like precise because it was blonde and I have like dark brown blackish color hair, whereas this one's red, so if I get a bit of my dark hair in, it's not like the end of the world because it will blend in a little bit. Yeah, this is a cute wig. This is a cute color. I don't know if I suit red at all, and it needs to be like brushed out and stuff. I don't actually know if you're meant to put this stuff on your skin or not, but I think I'm going to anyway, and just hope for the best, I guess. Also, I don't even know if this is actually meant for wigs, but I used this last time, and it was pretty good. The only thing wrong with my last application was because my wig cap was kind of in the way, and my wig cap's also like way too dark for my skin tone. Oh my god. Alright, let's just... I have tried my best with the wig. I know you can still see the line, but I'm going to try and blend that in. It's so well stuck, I really don't want to mess it up. So, yeah, I guess now it's time to do the makeup. Eyebrow time. Yay. I fucking hate doing my eyebrows. Right, I think I want to try something. I don't know if it's going to work. I feel like that's a good thing with like when you wear a dark coloured wig, it's so much easier to do your makeup because you don't have to worry about, oh, like my eyebrows are gonna look too dark, because they can be dark. I'm trying to do red eyebrows, if you guys couldn't tell. Let's just pray for me. I have no idea if this is like coming out well or not. I feel like I'm a child doing my makeup. I'm gonna try and fix this off camera. Guys, it took me like 5 attempts of trying to do my eyebrows, and I have finally done them. Some people may hate these, some people may love these, but this is the best that we're gonna get. What I've done, this is such a throwback to my old eyebrows. I used to always do my eyebrows like this, but I like this. I think this will go with the look, but this is all I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna conceal these, and then it's time for eye makeup. Now, I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do with my eyes because I really don't want to mess up all of what I've done. So I think I'm just gonna do eyeliner, maybe see what happens, maybe do a bit of like smoked out eyeliner, I'm not sure. So I'm going to be using my favourite eyeliner ever. If they would like to sponsor me, please do, you would save me a lot of money. It's the NYX liquid eyeliner. I need to concentrate, guys. Right, how are we feeling about this? It's a little bit too long and thin for me. I like a chunky eyeliner, so I'm going to try and adjust this. Guys, should I vlog me shopping? Because I have to do a huge makeup trip soon. I'm running out of so much stuff. As you can probably tell in this video, like, some of it just doesn't look the best because I'm running out. I feel like I should vlog it. I don't know if you guys would want makeup related content, but I'm really into makeup at the moment because I started watching Naomi John, and I'm not even kidding. Obsessed with her. She's like my new favorite YouTuber. I think I'm gonna do some face makeup, just my basic usual routine, maybe a little bit darker, I think, and paler in some places, but I will be back. Okay guys, so while I'm waiting for my eyelashes to dry a little bit, I'm gonna do some Freckles. Now, I've actually been loving Freckles. I think that they make your makeup look a lot more like natural, I think. I went through a phase of Freckles a couple of years ago. Now I'm going through it again. Easy. I don't get how people can't put on eyelashes. I say that and then this eyelash is just gonna mess up. We done it. We have done it. I feel like that girl from that American food place. I don't know what it's called, but you know the girl with the red hair. I really don't know if I should like do anything with my eyes because I quite like them plain. I might leave them and then do like a red lip. Okay, I'm gonna try and do a bit of a black lip. I'm just using eyeliner to like use as a lip liner because I do not have a black lip liner. And I'm going to use my Kylie Jenner red in here and just see how it blends out. If not, I'll fill it all in black. Just to finish off this look, I got some of these stamps from Amazon. I probably will review them on my TikTok or something, but I'm gonna put one here, just like a little you go stamp or whatever. Yes, there we go. I think that looks really cute. Should I do both sides? Ooh. Oh my god, that is actually so cute. Time to get into the outfit. So I have finished the look. I did actually take the wig off because it just looked so bad. So I just cut the lace off and it's a pretty good wig. I just put it up in this ponytail. This is my outfit. The lighting is terrible, but yeah, I didn't really want to wear this, but this was the only option I had. And look at these shoes. Ignore the mess. But yeah, editing me here, feeling much more pretty. I know. I forgot with this whole look, I specifically ordered some tattoos to go with this look and I forgot to put them on. I mean, it's not a problem because I think I'm going to do another look that's like red anyway. Oh my god, it's so hot. But anyway, these are them. I completely forgot, pissed at myself for that. Anyway, back to the video. So that was my get ready with me alternative look, or whatever I'm going to call this video. I hope you enjoyed. I will have some good YouTube videos coming soon. Maybe I kind of want to get back into YouTube. I'm feeling creative, but I just have so much to do. Also, don't forget to follow my socials and don't forget to support my business, pussybags.com. yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any wig tips, please let me know, and let me know if you want some vlogs, maybe me going shopping. That could be fun. And I love you. Bye.